For the past year and a half or so, I've focused my time on everybody else's projects. As you can see here, I have the Chevelle back in the middle of the shop and the very last customer project loaded on the trailer. I'm tied to it and I'm ready to head south to drop this thing off. This truck here that is done for the deal I had made will be going home. I'm not planning on doing any more customer projects until this car is popping wheelies, son. This truck here that is going home, the payment for the work I've done on this truck is, you guessed it, another truck. So, with that said, I have a new project coming, continuing with the Chevelle, and have a little work to do on the C10. But in this video, we're gonna bring the new project home, see if it'll fire up, drive around the yard, and try to get a vote to see which tires I should put on this thing. That might have gave it away. Anyways, let's get busy. All right, y'all, we got it off the trailer. I didn't record any of it because it has been raining cats and dogs, but there it is. Little bitty old tires on it right now. Headache rag, gotta go. Got the battery charging. Don't know what's gonna happen there, but this thing is all original. 2-owner truck, last owner had it since 82. It's a 79 model. Pretty cool truck. Really cool bed floor. Aluminum signs, so that's pretty cool. It's got some rust here and there. Overall, solid old truck. Let me show y'all something really cool that I've never had. It's got some of them speed holes down here, but it is what it is. But check this out. 8-track, baby. Let's go. This truck's like a mullet because you got the fancy GMC stuff in the front. You know, GMC, that's high class. So GMC's like business, right? GMC in the front, Chevrolet in the back. So we got business in the front, party in the back. So this one will be dubbed the mullet. My brother named it. So yeah, we're gonna see if we can fire this mug up, and need to put some big old nasty tires on it and just get it running. So y'all hang in there with me. All right, so that Never Start from Walmart was a 1-year battery in 2020. So now
take your damn batteries back.
I got a 3-year Never Start from 23 that still works in the red truck. So I've literally have done nothing to this thing. This truck's been sitting since 2020. I'm just now about to try to turn it over for the very first time. And I hope it don't catch on fire. I hope it don't catch on fire or something stupid happens. So let's go for it. In neutral. Clutch it. So it spins over. I'm sure the gas is junk. I probably need to pour some gas in the car, but stupid.
It ain't got no gas in it.
Let's do that. That right there is something y'all learn to do when you get in your 30s. Late 30s. So as you can see, I've not done anything to this mug but spin it over. Probably got a rat in here while I won't start. Probably a big old wolf rat. No, nice. Probably a little more true fuel than it needed. All right, got some fuel in it. See if it'll bust off now. Where it runs. Probably have to pour some gas in it. Get that mechanical fuel pump enough time to pick up that 10-year-old gas. I'm gonna go ahead and pour some fresh gas in it. Might help. And I got some gas in it. Just a little pro tip. Just because you have 5 gallons, don't use 5 gallons. You'll thank me if you gotta drop the tank in 5 minutes. Probably got to pour a little more of that old True Fuel in there. Yeah. Try it again. They want to pick up fuel yet, or it's really bad fuel. Probably bad fuel. I'm gonna dump some fuel in it and fire it up just to show y'all she's a runner. Clutch issues. I don't know if it'll start back up. I'm gonna try to start it in gear. Don't do that. It'll run away. So I need to work this clutch. It's been a while, I reckon. Fire it back up, let it run some more. Didn't even give it no throttle. It Well, it's smoky in there. So the guy said it had some carburetor issues. And that's definitely fuel. So we got it smoky in here. But she's a runner. You can't see the smoke on the camera, but yeah, you can. It runs. All right, I'm gonna try to fire it up in gear and run it a little bit. See what happens. If it'll start. Won't do it, boys. See if I can start it in R. Ooh, that didn't sound good. Ha, clutch freed up. You got it, boys. This thing's loading up big time. Got a clutch now. We got a clutch. This thing's loading up big time with fuel though. All right, boys, we know she runs. She'll move under her own power. Got forwards, reverse, the brakes work, the power steering works. I think she's gonna be a runner. So I'm gonna need to rebuild this carburetor, get me a carburetor, and it needs some big meats on it. So I think we got a good one, boys. Tell y'all what. This thing looks like it ought to be in some kind of mountain movie or something. Anyways, this is what it looks like with the roll bar. I'm about to take it off. Oh yeah, if you made it this far along in the video, leave a comment. Tell me what tires and wheels you think it needs, and go ahead and subscribe. Thank you. All right, I got Uncle Earl's headache rack off of the truck. Looks better. I got something going on with a bed mount right there that's got it pinched on the cab and the bed, but this thing just needs cleaned up and some big tires now. So that's all I got on this video. Thank y'all for watching. Come back and we'll do some more work on this thing. Still gonna be working on the Chevelle, but I gotta get this thing kind of going, you know. Oh, one more thing I gotta remove. That monstrosity hanging down right there. But that's for a different day. So y'all be sure, tune back in. See me work on this thing some more, work on the Chevelle some more. Exhaust work on that little truck. Yeah, if there's anything else y'all want to know about this or want to see me do, put it down in the comments. Thank y'all for watching.